What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a couple different things. I'm just sort of doing some small things on different cars, but what this video is going to be is on this Buick. The Buick has got 250,000 miles now, and the heads have never been off of it. The insides of this motor are still 100% stock, 100% the way they are. And maybe it's because I've been watching too much Vice Grip Garage, but I have decided I want to seafoam this thing. And I could do it the normal way, pouring it in the gas tank and letting it clean out the injectors over time. But what I really want to clean is the combustion chambers. So I'm going to let it suck some seafoam in. Should make a lot of smoke. Should kill some mosquitoes, which is great because, man, do we have a lot of mosquitoes. And should be just, I don't know, fun to watch, hopefully. But that's what we're doing today. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it, and then we'll get to it. So basically all I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to take the vacuum line to the fuel pressure regulator, and where I made this extension, I'm just going to disconnect it on one side, stick that hose into this bottle of Seafoam, and just let it suck it up as it can take it without stalling it. And it should smoke a lot and hopefully maybe clean the combustion chamber out a little bit. But even if it doesn't, whatever, it's something to do. So we're going to give it a shot. That's what's happening. Okay, so after getting the majority of the bottle fed in through this vacuum hose, we went ahead and shut it down. It was just starting to smoke pretty good, but we're going to let it bake now for a few minutes, and then we're going to come back and start it and blow it all out. So we will be back with you guys in just a minute when it's time to do that. Okay, so to recap what we did, we took that one vacuum line. I basically fed the cleaner into the engine as fast as it would take it without stalling too much. Then I shut it off directly afterwards, let it kind of just sit there and bake for a couple minutes or so, then started it up, blew it out, took it out and really blew it out. And that's pretty much all there is to seafoaming one. Hopefully that helps clean the intake valves in the combustion chamber a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up a little bit of efficiency. I don't know, but it was worth giving it a shot. The smoke looks cool, so it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching though and hanging with us on this video. I've got a few more things to do today, so I got some other videos to film, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and peace.